So, good afternoon, class. This is Teacher John, your teacher of science. Now, today we shall be looking at properties of matter. I know you looked at it when you were in class 5, in class 4, but now in class 6, under properties of matter, we shall be looking at components of air. Now, when you think of air, you should think of air as a mixture of gases, various gases. So, which are these gases that make up air? One, we have nitrogen. Nitrogen occupies roughly 78%, approximately 78% of the total amount of air in the atmosphere. Then we have inert gases, or also known as rare gases. Inert gases or rare gases. They occupy 0.97%. Then from there we have oxygen, the gas that we breathe in. So oxygen occupies roughly or approximately 21% of the total amount of air in the atmosphere. Then from there we have carbon dioxide, which occupies roughly 0.03%. From there we shall be looking at the various uses of the gases. Now we have nitrogen. So where is nitrogen used? You can see there is so much of it, 70%. So where is it used? Nitrogen is used, one, it is used by leguminous plants, legumes, the leguminous plants, the likes of beans, peas, to make or to fix nitrogen or to fix nitrates in the soil. It is also used in the manufacture of fertilizers, but we shall look more into nitrogen when we shall be looking at fertilizers in class 7. Now, from there we have the inert gases. So, which gases are these that we are calling the inert gases or the rare gases? One, we have examples, and a good example is argon. So, we have argon. So, which are the uses of argon? Argon is used in the manufacture of bulbs, the ones that you use to light your place at home. Now, we also have neon. Neon is a gas that is used in neon lights, the ones that are used for advertisement, the very colorful lights that you see when you visit towns at night. So, especially at night. So, neon is used in advertisements. Then we have, so that's those are the most common, the two most common rare gases. Then we have oxygen. So, where is oxygen used? Oxygen, one, is used in breathing. When you breathe in, you say that you're taking oxygen. So oxygen is needed by your body. So you breathe in oxygen. So oxygen is used in breathing. Oxygen is also used in burning. For things to burn, for fuels to burn, they require oxygen. So oxygen is used in burning. Oxygen is also useful to plants during germination. So plants also use oxygen during germination. When you talk about germination, the conditions necessary for germination, we talk about air. So the air, the part of air that is useful in germination is oxygen. Then from there we have carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, in class 5 you learned about photosynthesis. We say, now, what did we say photosynthesis is? I know you can remember, photosynthesis is a process through which plants make their own food in the presence of carbon dioxide. So they use carbon dioxide to make their own food. You have also another use. You also have another use of carbon dioxide, and that is putting out fires, extinguishing fires. I know you have a fire extinguisher at your place, or you have seen one in hospitals, in schools, or in a car. Vehicles are supposed to have fire extinguishers. So carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguishers. From there, you are supposed to, one, as a student, I know you are at home, and I hope you are keeping safe. So, go look for the other uses of the various gases that you have gone through today. And in your textbook, I know you have a primary science or any other textbook that you may be having at home, you can answer some of the questions from the same topic. And then from there, I know you have understood the various components of air. Up to that point, goodbye.